Here's how to convert JPEG to ICO. That's that ICO file type or icon image format. Now, it's really easy in an app that I created called ConvertSave. It's a drag and drop file converter, works offline for Mac and Windows. All you have to do is drag and drop, like I said, some of your files into ConvertSave, in this case a few JPEG, and I'm going to select the output. I can select, as I scroll down, this ICO or icon file type and hit convert, and it saves right next to those files, wherever they came from. Really simple and easy. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer. I just wanted to create something where I could avoid all those weird, sketchy websites for all my file conversions. So this not only works for images, but it also works for audio and video as well. And it works on Mac and Windows. And it's as simple as dragging and dropping, converting, and saving. That's where the name came from, ConvertSave. I wanted it to be as simple as that. We're adding a lot more advanced features, but for the most part, you're always going to be able to just drag in, select an output, hit convert. If you guys want to check it out, there's a link in the description. There's also just convertsave.com if you want to go there. I appreciate your support. Let me know if you do check it out in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.